Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. We're working on a Dodge Magnum here and Dodge Charger, both of them. We're replacing engines, guys. You can see it's a big mess in the shop right now. Don't blame us. Things everywhere. Not very complicated thing actually to pull the engine out of that thing, but today, guys, we'll show you how to disconnect fuel line. Most of the vehicles are about that procedure, but especially for Dodge, Chrysler, that generation, even some other ones as well, we'll show you guys how to disconnect the fuel line. Okay, you can see this one here. Let me turn the light on. This is the fuel line right here, and unfortunately, you cannot just disconnect it the way it is, and you have to know how to use a quick disconnect too on those. So we need to find the one that fits on the inside of the pipe here of the, you can see, of the tube. So those are the ones that we use. They're not expensive at all, and we've been using those for probably 5 years and they're still good. So we need to see which one will fit. Okay, probably the yellow one from what it seems. And now it's very important to push this thing forward. Okay, let me just grab with the other hand quick. Okay, it's gonna spray fuel, so don't get your eyes in there. Wear gloves, push, and then pull the tool in all the way. Okay, like that, and then you can slide it out. Okay, you can see the gas that it came out. It's very important to push it in at first, then get the tool and pull it out. Okay, never try to get those with screwdrivers because you're going to screw it up and you won't be able to lock it, and you spray fuel everywhere on hot exhaust, you're gonna catch on fire. When you're ready to install it, okay, you can just click it, push it in until it clicks. Okay, like that, it's done. Now you have to push in again, get the tool in all the way, and then pull it out. So once you know what to do and you have the tool, guys, it's super easy. Those are like less than 10 bucks at a parts store, eBay. You can get them even cheaper than that. So this will be all, guys. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. Hopefully, guys, the video was helpful. Please do not forget to comment, like, subscribe. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. Guys, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can, guys, save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Check them out. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.